Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you step by step and without any technical skills whatsoever how to enable the casting feature on Microsoft Edge. For example, if you'd like to cast your Microsoft Edge or you're browsing Microsoft Edge on an external device like a TV, for instance, or via Bluetooth devices and so on and so forth, you may do that by enabling the casting function. To do that, here in Microsoft Edge, clicking to these three dots in the top right corner of your mouse over more tools here, and here to the left select cast media to device. That is going to open up that menu. So make sure that your device is enabled and turned on and also connected to your computer, for example, via Bluetooth or I don't know, wireless or any other connection. And if the device is in the vicinity, you may select it from that list here, select the source and start streaming your performance or browsing here on Edge on your external device really quickly. And that's how you enable casting on Microsoft Edge, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.